So let's open it up. First, take the battery out. Well, this one didn't go off as planned, so I'll have to glue it. So I'll be using the gray switches. Let me just see if this is the same height. And it is. So I can switch it like that. So it's the same height, so I can switch them. And as you can see, this switch has, and as you can see, this switch has 2 legs, but the ones in the mouse have 3 legs. So in this case, it will be the middle and right leg, and the same for this one. And now for this part you need the soldering iron. I have a basic one. Now if you hear the difference, so these buttons were a pain to take off. Basically they slide inside and you have to untighten the battery holder by just a little bit, here and here, and then you can lift it and this will pop out. And let's see if I can make this happen. Okay, so the buttons are in, or the switches. Now I'll just tighten this back. So the top is now done, and if you give it a listen, and the last thing that I'll do, I don't really care about the DPI because I don't use it, but I want to do something about the mouse wheel and this switch. So I'll have to take the PCB off. So I did use a small switch here, but it's loud, so I'll just replace it. I forgot to put this in. I mean, the switches still work, but I guess this also needs to be in. So currently the wheel is rough when it's scrolling, so I'll be lubricating this white part, and hopefully this will make it a lot better. Let's see.